So I'm just gonna match the ones in the front with the FP8000. The company is Otsu, which is a sub company of Falken Tire. So knowing Falken's reputation of having quality tires, I'm quite happy with the choice. Plus, it'll help with tire rotations during the winter because this is a daily driver. Plus, this is the South today. It's only 31 degrees, probably one of the coldest mornings that we're gonna get down here in Alabama. So, a real need for winter tires, not necessary. But so going 255, 45, R20s all the way around. Get to see how this baby enjoys them in the front and the back. I've really enjoyed them in the front. Had zero issues with spirited driving in wet or dry conditions. So let's see.
General Motors in my thoughts. Cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, not a Chevelle commercial class. Force, Osmo, Chef Motors. General Motors in my thoughts. Cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, not a Chevelle commercial class. Force, Osmo, Chef Motors. General Motors in my thoughts. Cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, not a Chevelle commercial class. Force, Osmo, Chef Motors. General Motors in my thoughts. Cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, not a Chevelle's commercial class. Force, Osmo, Chef Motors. General Motors in my thoughts. Cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic. Fabulous, not a Chevelle commercial class. Force, Osmo, Chef Motors. General Motors in my thoughts.
Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button now.